At 35, clinical psychologist Simon Sembiro says saving for the future isn't easy. With daily expenses rising, putting money aside often takes a backseat.
Life is quite hard and expensive, and there are lots of taxation on everything. For a salary earner like me, you find that there is pay as you earn. There is also NSSF, which is also deducted on your account. And you find that you have a lot of bills.
That struggle is widespread. Uganda's National Social Security Fund says only a small share of workers contribute to formal pension schemes, with most earning in the informal sector.
Expand pension coverage and deepen the pension capital pool. It's a lie that the informal sector doesn't save. They do. They only save in cows and land and goats. Can we help them save that in money so that we can monetize that saving?
Across the continent, Africa's pension assets are estimated at between 700 billion and 1 trillion US dollars, still less than 1% of the world's pension wealth. Analysts say the low savings mean less money for investment in infrastructure, housing, and job creation, the very things young populations need most. Financial experts say Africa's growing workforce could be an opportunity if more of their earnings are turned into long-term savings to fund local development. The United Nations says stronger pension systems could help countries build resilience and reduce poverty in old age.
Africa must look inward, mobilizing domestic savings, diaspora remittances, and blended finance models to reduce aid dependency. Given that 15 of the 20 traditional donor partners have reduced their funding, forcing a rethink of how development is financed, Africa needs to shift from aid to trade.
Private investors say young Africans are already driving innovation. With the right incentives, their savings could do the same. For Simon Sembiro, saving remains a daily struggle, but also a goal worth pursuing.
Startups, small scale businesses. For example, we have people who sell chapatis in a day. And you discover they may not seem like they earn a lot of money, but those guys make a lot of money because they do a lot of saving on the things that, on the chapatis and the small things that they sell. But the first saving helps in the way that at least you are able to attain a goal in a nearby future.
From Kampala to Lagos, Africa's challenge is clear: turning today's young earners into tomorrow's investors. Isabel Nakeria, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.